When we hear the words Allah chose you, it's easy to think it's something reserved for prophets, scholars, or saints. But in reality, the Quran speaks to all of us. Every believer, every soul. You're not just a product of biology or coincidence, or you didn't arrive in this world because of a random sequence of events. No, you are part of a divine plan. You are a deliberate creation. Allah, who crafted galaxies and orchestrates the rising and setting of the sun, chose to place you in this moment of time, in this country, in this environment for a reason. Now the challenge is, we don't always feel chosen. You might be struggling with self-worth. Maybe you're comparing yourself to people who look more successful, more religious, more put together. You think, oh, would Allah choose someone like me? Oh, but that question is exactly why you're here. When Allah says in the Quran, "And I did not create the jinn and mankind except to worship me." 51:56, he's not just issuing a command. He's affirming your identity. You were meant for something bigger. Worship in Islam isn't just rituals. It's how you live, how you rise after falling, how you reflect light, even after walking through darkness. So when we say you were chosen, it's not empty motivation, it's a wake-up call. Allah saw something in you, something you might not even see in yourself. A strength, a voice, a purpose. The question isn't whether Allah chose you. The question is, will you answer the call? Think about this. One of the greatest prophets in our history, Musa Arabic Cain, Arabic Lam, Arabic Hit, Arabica, Arabic Alif, Arabic Lam, Arabic Sin, Arabic Lam, Arabic Alif, Arabic Meme, didn't start his journey with ease or clarity. He wasn't born into peace. He wasn't raised by scholars. He didn't grow up in a nurturing, prophetic household. No, he was born in a time when Pharaoh, the most ruthless tyrant in history, was slaughtering baby boys. Every newborn male from Bani Israel was being hunted. His mother had to do something no mother should ever be forced to do, place her baby in a basket and float him down a river, praying to Allah that somehow, some way he would survive. And where did that river take him? Right into the palace of the oppressor, the enemy's home. You'd expect that Allah would protect Musa from Pharaoh, but instead he placed Musa right in his hands. Why? Because Allah was preparing him in ways no one could see. In Pharaoh's palace, Musa learned politics, leadership, language, discipline. He saw tyranny up close, not to adopt it, but to eventually challenge it. Then things took another turn. Musa made a mistake. He accidentally killed a man. Suddenly, he's a fugitive, running for his life, alone, in a desert. No food, no shelter, nothing. At that point, if you or I were in Musa's shoes, we'd probably think, my life is over. I failed. Allah doesn't want me anymore. He was exactly there, in the middle of the wilderness when Allah spoke to him. Indeed, I am your Lord, so remove your sandals. You are in the sacred valley of Tuwa. 2012, let that sink in. Allah called to him not when he was at his strongest, but when he was at his lowest. This story teaches us something powerful. Being chosen by Allah doesn't mean life will be smooth. It often means the opposite. You'll be tested, broken, humbled, so you can rise stronger, more aware, more sincere. And just like Musa Arabic Cain, Arabic Lam, Arabic Ket, Arabic Alif, Arabic Leaf, Arabic Lam, Arabic Leaf, Arabic Meme. Maybe your struggles are not the end of your story, but the start of something sacred. Musa Arabic Lean, Arabic Lam, Arabic Ket, Arabic Alif, Arabic Lam, Arabic Lam, Arabic Sin, Arabic Lam, Arabic Leaf, Arabic Meme is walking through the desert. No crowds, no prophets before him, no miracles yet, just silence, dust, and the weight of exile on his back. He's just a man trying to survive, and then out of nowhere he sees a fire. He approaches it not because he expects a divine revelation, but simply because he's cold or maybe looking for guidance or a bit of warmth for his family. But when he gets close, Allah speaks directly to him. Indeed, I am Allah. There is no deity except me, so worship me and establish prayer for my remembrance. 2014 Subhanallah. Out of all the places, all the moments, all the people, that is where Allah chose to begin Musa's mission. And this is the part that should shake us. Allah could have revealed himself to Musa while he was in Pharaoh's palace, in power, in comfort. But he waited and comforted, but he waited. He waited until Musa had been broken, humbled, stripped of everything, because the wilderness builds what palaces never can. It's in isolation that clarity comes. It's in silence that the soul begins to hear what it ignored in comfort. It's in struggle that Allah carves greatness into people. And when Allah calls Musa, He doesn't just tell him who he is, He tells Musa who he is meant to be. Allah didn't just save Musa, He commissioned him. He said, I chose you to change history. You've heard the story of Musa Arabic deen, Arabic lamb, Arabic yet, Arabica, Arabica, Arabica leaf, Arabica, Arabic lamb, Arabic scene, Arabic lamb, Arabic leaf, Arabic meme, his fear, his exile, his calling. But now the question is, what does this have to do with you? And the answer is everything. Maybe you're in your own kind of wilderness right now. Maybe you're going through heartbreak, failure, loneliness. Maybe you've been pushing through days that feel heavy, waking up tired, going to bed feeling lost, and deep down, maybe you've started to believe the lie, I'm not good enough. Allah's forgotten me, I'm too far gone. But you need to hear this clearly, you are not forgotten. Just like Musa Arabic gain, Arabic lamb, Arabic lamb, Arabic leaf, Arabic lamb, Arabic scene, Arabic lamb, Arabic leaf, Arabic meme wasn't abandoned in that desert, you're not abandoning yours. Maybe you're wondering why things aren't working out. Why that job didn't happen, why that relationship ended, why that plan collapsed. And it's frustrating because you're trying, you're praying, but you're not seeing the results. But listen, sometimes Allah withholds what you want because He's preparing you for what you need. You're not being punished, you're being positioned. Allah may be softening your heart, teaching you patience, breaking your pride, rebuilding your sincerity, and all of that is because you've been chosen for something greater. Here's where things start to take a really powerful turn. When we go through pain, what's the first thing we often think? We think, oh, why is this happening to me? Oh, why me? Oh, what did I do wrong? But let me tell you something powerful. Your pain is not a punishment. In fact, sometimes your pain is exactly what you need in order to be prepared for the blessing that's coming. It's like the training a warrior goes through before a battle. It's tough, it's brutal, but it's necessary. Without it, you wouldn't be equipped to face what's ahead. Let's think back to the story of Musa Arabic gain, Arabic lamb, Arabic yet, Arabic hall, Arabic lamb, Arabic scene, Arabic lamb, Arabic scene, Arabic lamb, Arabic khalif, Arabic meme. He didn't just wake up one day ready to face Pharaoh. Before he could challenge the might of the most powerful man in the world, Allah shaped him in the hardest moments of his life. He faced rejection from his people. He had to flee for his life after committing an accidental murder. He spent years in exile, isolated, and wandering. But those years were not wasted. Those years were his training. And Allah didn't just send him into the palace of Pharaoh to stand there as a bystander. Allah sent him there to challenge tyranny, to bring justice, to liberate an oppressed people. But Musa Arabic deen, Arabic lamb, Arabic yet, Arabic leaf, Arabic lamb, Arabic lamb, Arabic lamb, Arabic leaf, Arabic meme wouldn't have been able to carry that mission unless he had been forged in struggle. The pain was a process that shaped him into the leader he needed to be. The wisdom behind your struggle now, look at your own struggles. Whatever they are, your financial stress, your broken heart, your mental battles, your doubts, it's all part of the preparation. Allah is not punishing you, He's purifying you, He's strengthening you. Sometimes we look at our scars and we feel ashamed. We think of them as signs of weakness. But Allah sees those scars as signs of your growth. Each struggle, each setback is molding you into someone who can face what's ahead. Remember, Musa Arabic keen, Arabic Khalif, Arabic lamb, Arabic scene, Arabic meme scars didn't define him. They made him strong enough to lead the children. When Allah chooses someone, He doesn't do it without a reason. He doesn't place you in this world with all its ups and downs to merely survive. You are here to thrive. You are here to leave an impact. You are here because Allah saw in you something special. And He is waiting for you to step into that purpose. Just like Musa Arabic tain, Arabic lamb, Arabic head, Arabic leaf, Arabic lamb, Arabic scene, Arabic lamb, Arabic leaf, Arabic meme, you may be facing difficulties, doubts, or struggles right now. But those are not your end. They are your beginning. Allah did not call Musa just to let him wander the desert forever. No, He called him to deliver a message. He called him to challenge Pharaoh. He called him to be the savior of an entire people. And Musa didn't hesitate. He didn't sit back and say, I'm too broken, I'm too imperfect, I'm too weak. No, he responded to Allah's call with courage, with trust, and with a heart that was finally ready to take on what Allah had designed for him all along. The power of answering the call now, here's where it gets personal for you. Allah is calling you to. Maybe you've been ignoring it. Maybe the distractions of life have pulled you away from your true purpose. But deep down, there's something greater that Allah wants you to do. something only you can do. Maybe it's a message you're meant to share. Maybe it's a community you're meant to uplift. Maybe it's a family you're meant to heal. Maybe it's a skill or talent you're meant to use for good. But Allah didn't give you those abilities and opportunities just to let them go to waste. He gave them to you because you are capable, and He's waiting for you to step up. The only question is, will you? Rise to the purpose. Don't let fear or uncertainty hold you back. Don't let the distractions of this world bury the potential that Allah has placed inside of you. It's time to rise. It's time to trust that you were chosen for a reason. It's time to walk confidently into the purpose Allah has set before you. Just like Musa, Arabic deen, Arabic lam, Arabic yet, Arabicam, Arabic lam, Arabic seen, Arabic lam, Arabic leaf, Arabic meme, your moment is coming. And when it does, it will be because you were prepared through every struggle, every doubt, and every challenge you faced. Answer the call. The world needs you. The Ummah needs you. And most importantly, Allah is waiting for you to fulfill the role He has chosen for you. I want you to take a moment and reflect on everything we've shared so far. Musa, Arabic 10, Arabic lam, Arabic yet, Arabica, Arabic leaf, Arabic lam, Arabic leaf, Arabic lam, Arabic leaf, Arabic meme was chosen in ways that seemed incomprehensible at the time. He went from being a helpless baby in a river to an outcast in a desert, to a leader who faced one of the most powerful rulers in history. And through every trial, every hardship, every step, he was being shaped, molded, and prepared for something greater than he could have ever imagined. Now, look at your own life. You may be facing challenges, feeling lost, or wondering if your story even matters. But the truth is, your story is not over, and Allah has not forgotten you. In fact, the challenges you are facing are part of the preparation for something much greater. Just like the Arabic deen, Arabic lam, Arabic yet, Arabica, Arabica leaf, Arabic leaf, Arabic lam, Arabic seen, Arabic lam, Arabic leaf, Arabic meme, you are being shaped for a divine purpose. You were chosen for this moment, for this time, for this journey. Allah doesn't choose someone for no reason. Every soul He chooses has a role to play in His grand design. Your purpose may not be fully clear to you yet, but trust me, it will unfold. Trust in the process. You might not see the path clearly right now, but take comfort in knowing that Allah is guiding you step by step. Every hardship, every test, every moment of uncertainty is a part of the beautiful plan that Allah has set out for you. And one day you will look back and realize that all the pieces fit together perfectly. Every trial, every struggle, every setback was meant to bring you to this moment. And when that moment comes, you'll know exactly why Allah chose you. You will see that your pain wasn't pointless. Your struggles weren't random. They were part of a divine process. You are meant for more, so take this message to heart. You are meant for more. You are chosen by Allah, and He doesn't make mistakes. He doesn't call someone without a reason. You have greatness within you. You have a purpose to fulfill. It's time to rise to that purpose. It's time to step into the calling Allah has for you. Don't let the world or your doubts tell you otherwise. You were chosen for a reason. Now it's time to answer the call and become the person Allah intended you to be. This concludes the message, but the journey, it's just beginning. Every moment from here on can be a step closer to fulfilling your true purpose.